Welcome back to our channel. If you're tired of tossing and turning at night, struggling to get a good night's sleep, then you've come to the right place. In today's video, we'll be sharing 8 sleep hacks backed by science to help you achieve better sleep quality. From establishing a bedtime routine to optimizing your sleep environment, we've got you covered. So, let's dive right in. The first sleep hack is all about establishing a consistent bedtime routine. Your body loves routine, and having a set schedule for winding down signals to your brain that it's time to prepare for sleep. This routine could include activities like reading a book, practicing gentle stretches, or even sipping on a cup of caffeine-free tea. Our second sleep hack is about minimizing exposure to blue light, especially before bedtime. Blue light from screens, such as phones, tablets, and computers, can suppress the production of the sleep hormone melatonin, making it harder to fall asleep. So, consider using blue light filters on your devices or using the night shift mode. Sleep hack number 3 revolves around optimizing your sleep environment. Keep your bedroom cool, quiet, and as dark as possible. Invest in blackout curtains, earplugs, or a white noise machine if needed. A sleep-conducive environment can significantly improve the quality of your sleep. Our fourth sleep hack involves being mindful of your diet. Avoid heavy meals and caffeine close to bedtime, as they can disrupt your sleep. Instead, opt for light, sleep-friendly snacks, and consider herbal teas known for their calming properties. Number 5 on our list is regular exercise. Engaging in physical activity during the day has been shown to improve sleep quality. However, try to finish your workout at least a few hours before bedtime to allow your body to wind down. Sleep hack number 6 centers on stress and anxiety management. High stress levels can make it challenging to fall asleep and stay asleep. Practice relaxation techniques such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or yoga to help calm your mind before bedtime. Our 7th sleep hack is all about the foundation of your sleep, your mattress and pillow. Invest in a comfortable mattress and pillow that support your preferred sleep position. Remember, a good mattress can last up to 10 years, making it a worthwhile investment in your sleep health. Last but not least, sleep hack number 8 emphasizes the importance of maintaining a consistent sleep schedule. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your body's internal clock and improves sleep quality in the long run. And there you have it. 8 scientifically backed sleep hacks to help you achieve a better night's sleep. Remember, improving sleep quality is a journey, and it's essential to find what works best for you. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and sweet dreams.